Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry king oyster mushroom and vegan seafood tofu with dried chili and peppercorns. Hope you like it. This dish tastes so good and appetizing too. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: king oyster mushrooms, small chili, dried chili, peppercorns, vegan seafood tofu, optional chopped garlic. Shredded king oyster mushroom. Cut chilies into section. Cut vegan seafood tofu into small pieces. Stir-fry condiments until fragrant. Omit chopped garlic for vegetarian. Add vegan seafood tofu and stir-fry. Add king oyster mushrooms. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon vegan oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Optional to add chicken powder or mushroom powder for vegan dish at own preference. Add black soy sauce to add color. Plate mushrooms. Stir-fried king oyster mushrooms are delicious and tender, and the more you eat, the more addictive it becomes. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. The taste of apricot abalone mushroom can be described as a fresh bomb. It has a unique meat feeling and a thick texture. It bites a bit like chicken or abalone, but it is more refreshing than meat. It tastes mild, with a hint of nut and earthy aroma. When cooking, it can absorb the taste of various seasonings and become fresh and juicy. Whether it is fried, roasted, stir-fried, or stewed, apricot abalone mushrooms can bring rich taste and layers. It is simply a disguised master in the vegetarian world, which can make meat lovers can't help falling in love with it. King oyster mushroom is not only a delicious disguise master, but also a nutrition all-rounder. It is low in calories and fat, but rich in protein and dietary fiber, which is simply a blessing for dieters. It also contains a variety of vitamins such as B vitamins and minerals such as potassium and phosphorus to help improve immunity and promote metabolism. What's more, the polysaccharides in king oyster mushrooms are considered to have antioxidant and regulating immunity, which is simply the master of health care in mushrooms. Eating it can not only satisfy the taste buds, but also secretly recharge the body, which is a win-win situation. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.